Welcome home! Better than new. Double lot home situated on a quiet loop near the lake and golf course at Mill Quarter in Powhatan. Finishable basement complete with stub-ups for bath along with a finishable third floor for your family to grow. Oversized two-car garage. Nice, flowing open floor plan. Vinyl siding, hardwood floors, formal dining room, family room, deck, large eat-in kitchen and sunroom. Buyer 1-year warranty. Square footage does not include the finishable third leaf or basement. Large, open foyer creates a bright and airy ambience. 9-foot ceilings and hardwood flooring through the first level. Large foyer with crown molding and double-door coat closet. Bright and airy family room, hardwood floor, crown molding and ceiling fan. Family room has built-in cabinets, bookcases and entertainment nook. Wonderful family room.